Alright, so Zemlin's parameters of normal vocal quality focuses on 6 areas: maximum frequency range, habitual pitch, maximum phonation time, minimum maximum intensity at various fundamental frequency levels, periodicity of vibration, and noise generated by turbulent airflow. So in order to measure the voice quality, you have to look at the F0 and harmonics. So F0 is determined by the tension of the vocal fold cover rather than the actual length of the vocal folds. FO is perceived as the pitch of the voice and higher than F0. The louder speech requires higher pressure. So in this recording of my speech, you can tell that the higher the frequency here, you can tell that it needed more pressure in order to reach the higher intensity, also known as like the higher pitch. So the vocal intensity is created and regulated by the subglottic pressure, which increases and decreases medial compression. The pressure must be higher in the lungs so it flows through the glottis where the pressure drives through the glottis. This is a transglottal pressure. So these 3 pictures here from the lecture site display a visual representation of how the different pitches are represented on the glottal spectrum. So you can tell here with the lower pitch, the amplitude is high when the hertz, so the frequency, is increasing, so the amplitude is also decreasing. You can also tell that the frequency, there's a lot more bars here with the lower pitch. And then the mid pitch, there's less bars, it still has that downward slope. And then the higher pitch has 3 bars, which is significantly less than the lower pitch, and also has a trend in the decrease in the amplitude. So there are many techniques to measure phonation. The electroglottography, endoscopy, and video stroboscopy are 3 ways for evaluating vocal fold function and laryngeal pathologies. So the electroglottography focuses on electrodes being placed on each side of one's thyroid cartilage. This produces an LX wave, which shows if there was resistance causing a decrease and an increase in amplitude. Endoscopy and video stroboscopy are using flexible endoscopes that are inserted in the patient's pharynx. This can cause some issues with the vocal fold vibration not being seen accurately. So those are just a couple ways that phonation is measured, and yeah, that is it.